Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cha-Cha and today I'm going to show you how to make soft and fluffy potato cheese. Please watch the whole video. This will not take long and this is very easy to follow. So guys, keep on watching. And here are our ingredients: 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 12 ounces of evaporated milk. We got 6 eggs, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 cup cheddar cheese, and 1 cup water. First thing that we need to do is to mix all the dry ingredients, and that's the all-purpose flour, sugar, and baking powder. And you put it in a large bowl so that you can mix them thoroughly. After you mix the dry ingredients, you can now add your eggs, and again, take your time. There should be no rush in baking because baking is fun, so take your time. So after you put all the eggs, now start mixing them. And what I usually do with mine is I don't mix them all together. I add the liquid ingredients one at a time. So after we mix our eggs onto the dry ingredients earlier, it is time to add your milk. So you don't pour the milk all at once, but you have to gradually add your milk onto the mixture so that it will create like smoothness. And if you don't have this electric mixer, you can definitely use hand mixer. It will still have the same result, but you just need to have patience of mixing your ingredients. So after adding that milk, let's go and add 1 cup of water and then continue mixing them. And now it's time to add our vanilla extract. I love the smell of this vanilla extract. And also, I don't buy the expensive vanilla extract. I just use the generic one. And for me, the smell is the same. Alright guys, we are now onto our last ingredient, which is melted butter. And be sure you always add butter on your potato cheese because butter makes everything taste good. And again, this is my own version of potato cheese. If you have additional ingredients that you like to add in your own potato cheese, go ahead and don't be shy adding them. So for my potato cheese, these are the ingredients that I use. And here you go guys, this is my butter. So it is now time to transfer this in a container where you can easily pour the mixture onto the mold. And let's go ahead and start boiling our water. So guys, when you fill your molds with batter, make sure that it is 3/4 full, not full, because the reason being is you don't want your batter to overflow. And the beauty of these silicone molds that I'm using, there is a line that will tell you to stop. And I love this molding because it is so easy to remove your Puto cheese. After we fill our molds, it is now time to steam. My steamer, I can only put up to 6 to 7. I don't want to put more because I don't want my Puto cheese to deform. But definitely you can add some on top of it, but I just don't want to. So here it is. So our water is already boiling, so let's go ahead and put this top part of our steamer. And when you steam your Puto cheese, it will only take like 8 to 10 minutes, and it is so easy to tell if it is already done. You just need to insert toothpick or a stick. If it will come out clean, that means it is already done. I also add my cheese on the last part because this one is still warm, so it will still melt the cheese. I don't add them when they're steaming, but I add them when I remove it from the steamer. And here is the easy way to remove your Puto cheese from your molds. All right, watch again and how I remove it from the mold. See how easy to remove our Puto cheese from this silicone mold? So that is why I love it. So there you have it, guys. This is our Puto cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.